Wow. Everybody, thank you for coming. Specky Day, Nige and Terry couldn't have done any better bringing up such a ripper girl. She is by far the best.
Although I am the older sister, I have always looked up to Alex. She's a domestic goddess and has regularly referred to me as being more of a teenage daughter.
It only seems like yesterday that I held you as a newborn. Her sunny nature and naughty sense of humour made her a delight to be around most of the time.
She is always put together, but has a natural beauty, and she oozes confidence.
Put it simply, Andrea and I are exceptionally proud. Simon, you seriously pulled it off.
Now on to the great man himself, Simo. Simo's laid-back and charismatic nature was well regarded throughout the boarding community. However, these attributes also found him in trouble a fair bit of the time.
One afternoon we were up from the farm and the girls were at our unit, and this good-looking, long-haired, cool, surfy unit turned up on a skateboard and asked to see Alex. We thought she must have been his tutor.
Nowadays, Simo leads quite a lifestyle compared to back then. In between running Magumba's biggest and best electrical contracting business and bossing Shrek around the farm, Simo still makes time to keep every single person in his Snapchat contacts inundated with seeding and harvest snaps.
From the side of the stage, I hope by now you've learned your place round here. And how many pages?
When I used to visit the girls in Perth, I was very glad that Simon was there. Simon has a wonderful ability to be able to chat knowledgeably with anyone. He's always been incredibly respectful, and yet nattering with Simon's like hanging out with your best mate.
Your personality is second to none and is something that I'll always admire and appreciate. One part of you is a goofy larrikin who's always up for a bit of mischief, yet another part of you is exceptionally hardworking and driven to be successful.
These two are a force to be reckoned with, and what a team they are. And we know what a team they'll be. Alex, everyone thinks that you might be the most patient girl in the room, but Andrea, I reckon you are.
Good afternoon and welcome. Everyone here is so important to these two, and they are so excited to be celebrating their special day with all of you. I love that they're having little conversations right now.
Ali, I haven't touched on you much in this speech, but it goes without saying, you are a ray of sunshine.
Anyone would be lucky enough to call Alex a friend. We scored you not only as a friend, but a sister, and Simon now gets to call you his wife.
Your kind, gentle and caring nature is much loved by all and fits perfectly with Simo. You've been by his side through thick and thin and for much of the time that I've known him, and that itself deserves a medal.
Today, surrounded by all of our loved ones, I choose you to be my husband. I am so proud to be your wife and to be joining my life with yours forever. I vow to be there for you every day and even to pick you up when you are bogged in the paddock in the middle of the night. I promise to listen to you, learn with you, and to love you through all life's adventures. You are my every dream come true. You complete me. And I'm so excited to spend the rest of my life with you. Wherever we'll go together.
working overtime.
Alex and Simon, we wish you a lifetime of a love that grows deeper each day. A life filled with farming, camping, and as many groceries from the boat shed as you can manage. It is now my joy, honour and privilege to pronounce you as husband and wife. You can cheer. Kiss her!